Welcome. If you want to rename your XIAOMI Mi TV 4S, at first you have to go for the settings icon in the right upper corner. Next, scroll down for device preferences. Click on About and pick device name. Right now we can click to change. So as you can see, we got few default names that we can use, or we can input our custom right here. When you finish, you can just click right here to confirm. I'm going to change, for example, for the Android TV for this default name. And as you can see, the name of our TV is changed. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.